One thing plaguing older lawns are wild onions. They don't easily die with weed killer, and it's tricky sometimes trying to get rid of them. So I'm going to show you guys a very simple way to get rid of these eyesores from your lawn. To get rid of wild onions, simply just pour scalding hot water over them, just a little bit. You want to make sure it gets down to the bulb. You want to make sure the ground's not frozen, because that could potentially cool the water to where it doesn't fully kill it off. And you just want to pour. You see how they get flattened and eventually they'll die. And if you see a couple that survived where the water wasn't too hot, simply repeat the process. But this is a really good, simple way to get rid of wild onions, and you don't have to use all sorts of chemicals. It's just simply boiling water and pouring it over it. Just pour over all the onions until they're finally gone from the yard. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and happy planting.